Everyone, myself Mohan and my group members are Amandeep and Sudhir, and today I'm going to tell you about the translator with the Telegram interface. I'm going to tell you about the application overview. So Node-RED is a programming instrument for connecting together the hardware equipment, API and online services. Basically, it is a visual tool developed for IoT, that is Internet of Things. Node-RED empowers the client to bundle up together the web administration and the equipment by supplying the low level of coding assessment. And Node-RED is an open source which was initially built up by IBM Emerging Technology Association, and it remembered the IBM Bluemix as a platform as a service. There are four basic things in this: the header, the palette, the workspace, and the sidebar. The header is on the topmost layer with the username button and the menu button. The palette is on the left hand side with all the colorful blocks which manage all the node flows. The workspace is the main space where all the nodes get connect and deployed, and the sidebar is on the right hand side which tells you about all the coding. So applicability of Node-RED application. So this application is used to convert Arabic, Spanish, French and Japanese language into English and English into Hindi as well. Our recent feedback analyzed that the Australian people are facing difficulties in communicating with the local people of these countries due to the language barrier. So to overcome this problem, our company has launched an application which will help the Australian people to communicate with the local people of these countries. So it basically focuses on the languages for the better experience and making their trips more enjoyable and interesting. Our company provides this app just for free of cost, which will help in marketing of the business. In this application, we will get the English as the output, and we will get the meaning of the sentence in their own languages and even the messages as the output for the better understanding of the user. One additional feature we added that English is converted into Hindi, as the people who don't know how to speak English, they can use this feature, because the reason behind using this feature is that Hindi language are the second largest population after English people. Here is the application deployed without an error. As we can see in the given screenshot as our output, we got French, Japanese, Arabian language which is converted into English. Slide, we can also see that the Arabic language is converted into English. So I should suggest the people to download this app, as there is no charges for that. It's free of cost, and moreover it will useful for them as they can able to communicate with the local people without any barriers. So you should go for that. Thank you so much.